Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the antivirus was truly removed because leftover services block Defender. Open Settings, Apps, and uninstall any listed AV. Once done, reboot. Next, check your Windows build so you know which Defender features are available. Then open Windows Security. If it says Managed by Organization, note that for later. Finally, open Services, MSC, and locate Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service to see whether it's disabled. That's your first control point. Now re-enable the core services. In Services, MSC set Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service to automatic delayed start and start it. Make sure the Security Center is running too. If services won't start, run PowerShell as admin and execute start service name WinDefend and use setmp preference to restore defaults. If group policy blocked Defender, open gpedit. MSC, Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, and set controls to not configured. Once done, reboot and recheck Windows Security. Finish by validating Defender is active. Open Windows Security and confirm virus and threat protection shows real-time protection on. Run a quick scan to ensure signatures update. If updates fail, check Windows Update and Microsoft Defender Update Service. If Defender still won't engage, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system components. And if you find leftover drivers or services from the old AV, remove them with auto runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.